Listen, Cameroon, Ambazonia, mainly the Cameroon. Cameroon will go for a strong protest that will destabilize the whole Cameroon if something is not done. Paul Biya of Cameroon, take notice. What will happen in Cameroon will be very disastrous. For the past 7 years now, Cameroon have been in conflicts, and nobody is telling you to resolve this issue. Rather, you keep sending your army, your B, to go to Ambazonia to do what you have sent them to do. They are coming back. Good number of them are coming back in sack bags. They are coming back in sack bags. All their arms scattered away. And you continue sending them. You form a deaf ear to hear the clamor of the people of Ambazonia. Listen, you have made your country a desolated city. Paul Biya, you have made your country a desolated city. That is not good. If your country becomes well, your generation will never forget you. I know you have nothing to lose. That is why you are doing what you are doing. Your children have grown. Some of them are ministers, some of them are head of state, and other prominent positions has been occupied by them. Even your children have grown because you are no longer a small boy. When somebody addresses you as a boy, it's an insult to a father like you. But you failed to do what is right. Paul Biya. Paul Biya, you should not sleep or feel relaxed that things are okay. The way Nigerians are going about bad governance, that is the way it will happen in your place. Kenya have done their own. Many countries have emulated them, and this time they are not backing off. They are not backing off. They must achieve what they want. See what will happen. Keep on watching. We are in the internet space, and we are watching. See what will happen. Kenya started it, and the Kenyans have done, even if they start today, they have taught African governments a lesson that the people, they are the owner of the land. You have come to serve us. You are not there to make laws for us, laws that are not good. We are to admit the law before it will be enshrined and ratified by the Constitution. Before it will be ratified, being enshrined, we must agree to it. If you say no, you make your law, we destroy the law. We destroy it. You don't give us laws or a random law that you go to your kitchen, you concord with your wife and your children and come out and give it to the entire public. It doesn't happen. It do not happen. It do not happen. Whatever the masses say, that is what you call democracy. Even in the army rulership, it is what the people want the army will do. Yes. You don't go to your bedroom and come up with a law and come and impose it on people. People are not animals. They are human beings created by God. People that have sense more than you. And people you have sense more than. Equal opportunity, equal rights. Paul Biya of Cameroon, listen very well. Pay attention. If you don't pay attention, it will take you by surprise. This time it will not be only Anglophone. It will not be only Anglophone. The English-speaking Cameroon, that is the Ambazonia, it will not be only Ambazonians. You are sending your bee to come back on a sack bag. What you are seeing on the background is exactly what is happening in Cameroon. Many have gone. And these people who are fighting for the government have no compensation. Their wives are suffering, their families are suffering. These are the people that kept the hope of their family alive. They are not taken care of. And you are still sending them. They are going like zombie to meet their untimely death. Listen. Listen. Those that are sharing the national cake by tormenting people will soon vomit all. All they have eaten, they will vomit it. I am saying this for anyone who is under the sound of my voice to take notice. that I said this day you are seeing this video. Check the date that I have said it. It will happen. And when it will happen, all of you must test it. I will tell you only the truth. I am not here to cajole anybody, but to tell everyone who is misbehaving the truth. And the truth is paramount. The truth is the only thing that stands like a tree, and it doesn't enter into anyone who is careful in the eyes. If you love what I am doing, hit on the subscription button, share it across to people. That is all you can do for us to have a good Africa, for us to have a good government in Cameroon, for us to have a good government in Nigeria, for us to have a good government in Kenya, for us to have a good government in Ghana, in Rwanda, in Djibouti. Africa is our own. We must stand up so that Africa will become great once again. God bless all of you.